In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning Facebook banner using Canva. Whether you're new to design or looking to polish your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to Canva's website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the search bar at the top of the page. Go ahead and type Facebook banner into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a wide array of templates specifically designed for Facebook banners, so feel free to browse through the options to find one that suits your style and requirements. Once you've found a template you like, click on it. This will open a larger preview of the template, allowing you to take a closer look. If it looks like a good fit, go ahead and click on the Customize this template button. This action will take the template into Canva's design editor, where you can begin personalizing it to make it uniquely yours. In the design editor, you'll see that every element of the template is customizable. Let's start by editing the text. Simply click on any text box and you'll be able to input your own wording. Whether it's your business name, a catchy tagline, or any message you want to convey, just type it in. You can also experiment with different fonts and sizes by using the text toolbar at the top. Remember, the key is to ensure your text is readable and aligned with your brand's aesthetic. Next, let's talk about the images. If the current background image doesn't quite fit your vision, you can easily change it. Click on the background image and you'll have the option to replace it with one of your own, or choose from Canva's extensive library of photos. If you're uploading your own image, just click on the Uploads tab on the left-hand menu and either drag and drop your file or click to upload. Always make sure the new image complements the overall design and vibe you're aiming for, and there you have it, a beautifully personalized Facebook banner ready to showcase online. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the download button in the top right corner to save your banner in the desired format, typically as a JPEG or PNG. This file will be ready to upload directly to your Facebook page. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and helpful. With these simple steps, you can easily craft a Facebook banner that captures attention and communicates your message effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.